ओके तो देखो यहाँ पे बेटा, ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है ना, इन फिगर ट्राइंगल ABC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट DEF. कॉन्ग्रुएंट मतलब दे आर आइडेंटिकल. You know this thing. Can you tell me which vertex is corresponding to which vertex according to the question? A vertex is corresponding to D. How will you write? A is corresponding. ये corresponding का symbol है. This symbol is for corresponding. ठीक है? B के corresponding symbol कौन सा होगा? Corresponding you understand, like if this is this, then this is this. Like if the figure में this is D, then this is, sorry, A के corresponding D, B के corresponding E, and C के corresponding F. Have you understood? Corresponding उसके accordingly which vertex? हाँ, समझ में आ रहा है? So this is the symbol we put, and then now he has asked if the corresponding vertices are this. First we have stated what are the corresponding vertices. So can you tell me which sides would be corresponding? Which sides would be corresponding? Like if AB and DE, AB and DE will be corresponding or not?
Yes, ma'am.
No, this is the symbol of corresponding, this is the symbol of congruency. Got it? And what will be the value? What will be the value of DE then?
3
centimeter. That's it. And
BC
is corresponding to
EF is
4.5 centimeters.
Correct. AC is corresponding to DF.
DF 6 centimeter.
हाँ. And that is 6 centimeter. Done. This question is done. Have you got it? Isn't it simpler than what we have done yesterday? So today we will do the questions which are even simpler than the yesterday's class. ठीक है? So that Ronit will also be able to understand. Okay, Ronit, have you understood now? Now, in this question, they are asking, name the pair of congruent triangles. Congruent triangles means you have to first find out the corresponding vertices. Yes or no? Now, how is this figure looking like? Isn't it a parallelogram? A parallelogram में when you draw a diagonal, does it get divided into two triangles? Then, if I will talk about triangle ABC, now you can see this one. If I have two set squares which are making parallelogram, isn't it like this? Yes? Aren't they like this? Say it means if I will separate them out. Now listen, say if I will separate them out like this, I'm just keeping this, like this. So if this is A, if I am talking about the above triangle, and A के corresponding, if I am talking about this triangle and this triangle, A के corresponding which vertex will be there in star triangle? If A is here, C, yes, because if you will keep it like this, A is there, and in this vertex should be this one, correct na? So, which is the corresponding part? Bolo. A के corresponding C. D के corresponding B. Are you able to get it?
Ma'am, it's B. You wrote C.
A के D, तो C का B.
Ma'am, instead of C, you wrote instead of B, you wrote.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. B. और फिर क्या होना चाहिए? Now, C. A, B, A, D, C के corresponding which vertex should be
A.
there? A.
BD.
C के corresponding it should be A. Now they have asked कि now name the triangles. अब इसके अगर मैं corresponding sides की बात करूँ, so these are the corresponding vertices. Correct? It means which two triangles I am talking about. I am talking about triangle. देखो, the first vertex you can write like this in triangle ADC. ADC. Correct? First vertex. And triangle CBA. Have you understood? It has become easy.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the corresponding parts? Other corresponding parts. AD is corresponding to CB. Yes, because AD is, first of all, these are parallelogram. Parallelogram में opposite sides are equal. So if I am talking about AD, then which side? Will I write BC or CD? CB. CB. If I am writing AD, then the side will be CB. Reason क्या होगा? Each 6 centimeter. Correct? Now, which angle? Angle DAC. Angle DAC is angle ACB. ये दोनों क्या है? Alternate interior angles. Are they alternate interior angles? Yes, right. Angle DAC is equal to, now see, I have written the name angle DAC, so it will be BCA. Correct? Have you understood? Each 30 degree. और रीजन क्या लिख सकते हो? Alternate interior angles. Yes. Now which side is common? AC and AC is common. AC and AC is common. Can I write AC equal to AC common? Yes, CA, whatever. Okay. Can you tell me now how these two triangles are congruent? How these two triangles are congruent? What is the criteria? What would be? Look at here. You have written here. What is this? Side. What is this? Angle. What is this?
Side.
हाँ, तो side
Angle
angle
side.
SAS. SAS. You have written, see, side, then included angle, then side. If this is side, then included angle, then this is side. So which criterion it would be? SAS. Clear? So that is what he has asked. SAS congruency rule. Have you understood? Try with this question. Same way. First you write the corresponding vertices. Try to find out. See how you will do. If this is angle is equal to this angle, it means the single arc. Here there are two arcs, and in this vertex also there are two arcs. Means these two arcs are equal. These two angles are equal. Correct? So try to find out the corresponding vertices. अब जैसे इसको करोगे तो देखो ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल. करेक्ट? Q के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है. Q के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग which vertex is there? P. फिर R के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग T. P के कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग
S.
इतने में, इसमें तो कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. ये तो समझ में आ गया. Now I have to mention the name of the triangles. First line is always mentioning the name of the triangles. That also you know. Clear? Now which triangle it will be? QRP.
PTS.
शाबाश. ठीक है, हो गया. If you will see the figure, now which thing you are finding? ये angle अब क्या दिख रहा है? पहले you can mention the side also. ये angle also. ये side also. If QP is there, then SP is there. Both the sides are equal because they have put single hyphen over it. It means QP is equal to PS. तो अभी ये क्वेश्चन कैसा लग रहा है? ये ऐसा लग रहा है? क्लियर? तो इफ यू आर सीइंग, तो ये वाला साइड इसके इक्वल है. देखो गिवन है ना, इट इज अ स्मॉल, इसके ऊपर डबल लाइन है और ये कॉमन हो गया. क्लियर हो गया? सो इफ आई विल टॉक अबाउट द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टिसेस, बोलो व्हाट वुड बी द कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टिसेस?
Y and Z.
पहले दोनों में तो x और x आ जाएगा.
X and Z.
एंड x कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू, अरे यार दोनों ट्राइंगल ऐसे है ना, both the triangles are like this ना, तो x and x is common ना.
Ma'am, same with W.
W is also,
And Y and Z.
हाँ, W is corresponding to W and Y के corresponding it is Z. Have you got it? Why? Because both are on the same side ना, इसीलिए. Now what would be the names of the triangles? Tell me. X W Y, X W Z Z. ठीक है जी. अब मुझे बताओ व्हाट इज द थिंग, बोलो क्या क्या दिख रहा है सामने? डब्ल्यू वाई इक्वल टू
WZ.
वेरी गुड. ये बहुत सिंपल वाला क्वेश्चन है. डब्ल्यू वाई इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू जेड, देन एक्स वाई इक्वल
XZ.
एक्स जेड. गुड. ये सब गिवन है.
And XW is equal to XW.
वेरी गुड. वो कॉमन हो जाएगा. एक्स डब्ल्यू इक्वल एक्स डब्ल्यू कॉमन. करेक्ट. अब मुझे बताओ हाउ दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स विल बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट विद रूल.
Side angle.
एंगल तो है ही नहीं.
Side.
ट्रिपल एस, ऑल द साइड्स ना, सो ट्रिपल एस. देयरफॉर ट्राइंगल एक्स डब्ल्यू वाई congruent triangle XWZ by which rule? SSS congruency rule. ठीक है. In the previous question it was QP जो था वो SP के PS के इक्वल था. एंगल ये जो था PQR was equal to SPT क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिंगल लाइन है, एंड PRQ इक्वल टू PTS क्योंकि इसमें डबल लाइन है. बस ये जस्ट रिवाइज करवा रही हूँ, रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ था. तो इसमें जो रूल लगेगा वो लगेगा एंगल साइड, एंगल साइड, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में. नाउ फॉर दिस थिंग देखो, डोंट थिंक सो कि वी विल से कि मतलब अभी जो फिगर देख के पता लग रहा है इट इज पैरेललोग्राम. आपके दिमाग में चलेगा कि आई विल मेंशन द साइड्स टू बी इक्वल, है ना, क्योंकि शक्ल में इट इज पैरेललोग्राम, बट वी विल नॉट राइट इट पैरेललोग्राम जो आपकी फिगर में गिवन है. इफ यू विल सी इन द फिगर एंगल्स आर गिवन इक्वल. हैव दे मेंशन्ड एनीथिंग लाइक अ लाइन हाइफन ऑन एनी माइनस साइन ऑन साइड? नहीं. सो यू विल नॉट टेक एनी साइड लाइक इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में था ना, आई हैव रब्ड दैट फिगर. जैसे अब ये वाला क्वेश्चन है, इसमें क्या इन्होंने एंगल को इक्वल दिया है या साइड्स इक्वल दिए हैं? साइड्स इक्वल दिए हैं ना. हैव दे मेंशन्ड, ये देखो यहाँ पे साइड के ऊपर ऐसे छोटे छोटे सिंगल लाइन डबल लाइन लगा हुआ है, बट इस वाले क्वेश्चन में एंगल पे लगा है. Is there a difference? Are you getting? ये arc जो है, arc is given on the angle or side? Angle पे ना, so you will mention the angles to be equal. Why will you mention the sides to be equal? Got it? This is how you will make the difference. Clear? Now this triangle and this triangle. अब tell me first the corresponding
W and Y.
W के corresponding Y, then
X and X.
X and Z, correct?
Y, W, Z,
Then
W, Z.
W X, फिर ये Z जाना था ना, Z के corresponding क्या है? X. Z के corresponding क्या है प्रभु? X. Correct ना? So what would be the name? Like how will you solve? You will solve in
Yeah.
triangle WXZ and YZX. Got it? Clear हो गया? Have you got it? अब बताओ what is given? बोलो. If I have to mention this angle, will it be XWZ या फिर ZWX? ठीक है?
Z, W.
हाँ, ZW अगर X लेते हो, so this would be XYZ. ठीक है? So angle ZWX. समझ रहे हो ना कैसे? देख लो ZWX. फिर इधर से XYZ. तो ये दोनों कैसे मेंशन करोगे? यू हैव टू मेंशन द नेम्स ना. यू शुड नो हाउ टू मेंशन द नेम्स. ZWX equal to angle XYZ. क्या ये गिवन है? इज दिस गिवन? यस. अब इसमें लिखो WZX. WZX. Clear? So what it would be?
YXZ.
Good. शाबाश. ये भी गिवन है. Now which side is common? अब देखो जो कॉमन साइड होती है उसके ऊपर कभी भी डैश नहीं होता. So can I write के XZ equal to XZ common? And now these two triangles are congruent by which rule?
Angle side.
Angle side. Because angle side. अब थोड़ा सा क्लियर होना शुरू हुआ. Try the 13th one. Now देखो this one is easy, you can do yourself. मैं नहीं करने वाली. If you will see this figure, just pay attention for 2 minutes, then I will leave you. ये दोनों vertically opposite angles हैं. दोनों 50-50 है. It is okay. This is 2.3. This is also 2.3. That is also okay. But this is 50 and this is 60. Are they congruent? No. These two triangles are not congruent. Although हमें लगेगा अगर यहाँ पे वो 60 होता, in case they would have given
Then it
us
will be
60,
congruent.
then it would be congruent. As they have given 50, so these two triangles are not
Congruent.
Have you got it?
Identical.
आइडेंटिकल नहीं हुए ना. सिमिलर तो क्या है?
हाँ, ये
नहीं, सिमिलर में भी एंगल इक्वल होते हैं. ओनली द साइज इज स्मॉल और बिग, बट द एंगल्स शुड बी
then it is not.
not congruent. These are not
Then we
congruent.
should write not no.
Not because I just told you, because sometimes the teachers will put the question in a ulta manner where you have to find out whether the congruency exists or not. Here the congruency do not exist. So you will say triangle PQD is not congruent. I do not know whether we can put this slash over there or not. PQD is not congruent SDR. Again, because
No, SDR.
angle NP is not equal to angle S. That's basically these are not
SDR.
SDR. Thank you, Cooper. SDR. So that's it for today's class. Have you understood? तो जरूरी नहीं होता कि all the figures will come out as congruent only. Sometimes they will give you मतलब figures which are not congruent. Okay?